along with him and are currently headed to the Shiv Shakti guest house. You can see that's our base camp for the trek, and we'll be starting our trek from there on. It's about 10 minutes walk more, and we're walking there. Usually we were recommended by many people to take a cab or something, but we chose to walk instead because we have to walk the next 2 days itself. So that's what we are doing.
Yep.
The roads are very calm in here, very calm environment.
It's very peaceful right now.
You can see the
You can hear the birds.
children going to school, the birds, and the silence is just being disturbed by us actually right now. Sort of, yes. So I'll just continue with it while I reach the base camp. Till then. Finally reached the Shiv guest house, and we've got a companion. Very hungry right now. We'll be getting something quick to eat, and then by 10 o'clock we'll be leaving, starting the trek for the first day.
I mean, people in there must be really hungry, right? All the time, like.
So the trek has finally started. We're off to Triund on our first day. Along with me are Gautam, Amit, you all know who he is, and the rest of the team, as you can see. The path is full of stones and rugged topography. I'll keep posting the good views. Till then, goodbye. So we're at the starting point of the trek, like actual starting point. This green hut that you can see, it's the checkpoint. Usually the checking takes place in here of any illegal stuff you might be carrying. We are not. So it's 6 kilometers up from here, and we'll reach our first camp, that is Triund, and rest there finally.
Not what 3 hours.
So start moving now.
It was like 5 hours.
Catch you up later.
Be careful.
Goodbye. Must keep in mind, shouldn't be dirtying up the place, like protect nature, environment, and that all. You all already know that, but hardly people follow it. So yeah, we've just passed the checkpoint, heading up straight 6 kilometers, and we'll be reaching Triund, our first camp. Okay, so catch you up later. Goodbye. Come on, buddy.
Well, making some friends here. Why not make some steps as well?
Our companion is a real motivation, I'd say. Plus the weather is so pleasant, without touch wood any sign of rain. sunny weather. It's just great. Usually it's raining by this time in here, but today is a lucky day, so won't deny that. So now that you can start observing the goats, so many of them, it's time we can estimate that we have reached halfway down our first day trek. So we have to go up there. There. So yeah, hopefully we'll have the path to maybe climb over one or two. You can see such a nice view.
It's a nice view.
These guys providing a great company
Yeah. With the goats now.
with the goats.
With the goats.
2 kilometers away from the tree on top. The steepest route has started.
Yep.
These 2 kilometers stretch are the steepest. Rest was all fine though. But this is the steepest part, and maybe it'll take around 40 minutes. 40 minutes more to reach there. Both these guys are doing really great. So I'll meet you at the top then. So everyone, we have finally reached the end point of our first day's trek. Behind me you can see the Dharamshala Valley and the McLeodganj Valley, and in front of me so beautiful it is, all the camps and the majestic Dauladar range just in front of me. Totally mesmerizing and a beautiful sight to behold, I'm telling you. Really good, very much. So here we are, it's 7 p.m. in the evening and the sun has nearly set. People are enjoying the sunset. Great place, as I've already comedy. So yeah, that's the view. It was lit by the setting sun a few minutes back, but I got a bit late. So basically you need to carry warm clothes even if it's very warm in the daytime. It will get very cold during the evening and the night hours, so must carry winter clothes.
The change is pretty drastic.
Weather change is pretty drastic, yeah. And other than that,
Yeah, and don't expect any campfires. I know people like campfires, but here it's not allowed.
like
And yeah, because it risks for forest fire. So yeah, don't expect any
simply
campfires.
man, don't harm nature in any way
Yeah.
to air pollution or anything. So bonfires or campfires not allowed.
Yeah.
So don't come here thinking of that.
But yeah,
And-
every step is worth it. The view is awesome.
So that's it for the day. I don't know what to say.
I think you've said enough, bro.
Yeah, I guess said enough. So tomorrow we'll be starting the trek to Ilaka Goat. Then next things tomorrow on. Goodbye. Good night.
Shabba
Have a great day.